Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Miro board to a PDF. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable videos. Let's dive into the video. First, open your Miro dashboard, and if you don't have a link, I have given in the description. You can use that one and pick one of board here. So I'll go for a mind map and create a team board. And you can see the mind map has been loaded, and now you can upload using this export option, and you can see option called save as PDF. Once you click that, and it's asking a frame, so that is the frame you're gonna get your PDF file. So make sure that the frame cover all your mind map. So I'm giving a custom size, and you can cover your mind map here like this. So all this is going to be printed in a PDF, and once you're happy with it, click export again and save as PDF and small size. Since I have a free version, I can't get the best quality, so I'm going for the small file size. And if you are once you're happy, press on export, and that has been downloaded. You can see. Let's go into download file, open it, and open the mind map, and let's see how the output result is. So you can see the same thing, and you can see the same mind map in a PDF version. And we are ending our video from here. If you enjoy the video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.